Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am going to explain about the English speaking. And as we all know that in modern generation, English speaking has become an important and essential part of education system and our lives too. Okay, so whenever you go, so you have to speak little bit English, and whenever you are not able to speak English fluently, so you feel something awkward. So that's why English speaking has become an important part of our life. So dear students, I am just going to elaborate the basic concepts of English speaking. How can we speak English fluently? Okay, are you ready? So as we know, the first thing for English speaking, the first important thing for English speaking is, according to me, is vocabulary. If your vocabulary is strong, so whenever you are going to speak a particular word, so without hesitation you will speak that word, you will utilize that word, that particular word. Okay, just suppose that pardon means forgive. So with the help of this word pardon me sir, very easily you can say pardon me sir, means there is a sentence just roaming around your mind, just it's in your mind that how to state this statement कि मुझे माफ कर दीजिए. But when you have a good knowledge of this word, whether the synonyms pardon, forgive, like that, so you may explain, so pardon me sir, forgive me sir, excuse me sir. Oftenly we used to say excuse me sir. So that's why we need to learn as much as possible the vocabulary words. We need to improve our vocabulary. And not learning is, and second, reading and learning is important, but not only reading and learning is enough. Practice of speaking is also very important. So you need to practice English speaking. Means on a regular basis you are just utilizing some sentences, means 5, 6, 7, 8 according to your own stamina. Try to speak that particular sentences, 8 or 9 sentences on a regular basis. Okay, like that I want to go there, they want to go there, he wants to go there. Okay, bring a glass of water, like that. I want to go there mama, like that. And in summary we can say that as on a regular basis, if you keep on the practicing, so you will feel confident in yourself. And there are some other processes are also there, like translation method, bilingual method, and so many methods are there. But if you just start English speaking, so you feel confident within yourself, because each and every book, whatever you study, is there in English, is written in English. Sociology, social studies, science, or whatever, commerce, science stream student, when they study the science book, chemistry, biology, so each and every book nowadays are written in English, because you study in English medium school, so that's why the books are also in English. Okay, so you need to pay attention on these basic concepts, that you are speaking English on a regular basis, you are practicing these skills, you are improving your grammar, knowledge also, improving your vocabs also. Okay, so these are the basic things. On a regular basis, form a habit of reading also. 100% I guarantee that if you have developed a form of reading, then 100% you will start speaking English very fluently. Okay, and don't think ever that I'm speaking wrong or right. Whatever is just coming in your mind, you just start speaking, and after a month you will feel that yes I can speak English in a very nice way. So dear students, these are the just basic concepts through which you can improve your English speaking. And the course and the class in which you are studying, please read the books of that class also very carefully. Each and every books, not only English also, the social studies, the science, the GK books, the computer books, and other things, and try to find out the difficult word. It will form a curiosity in you that what's the meaning of this particular word. And whenever you will start doing like that, 100% I guarantee that day by day you will improve your English speaking, and the day will come when you will start speaking English speaking fluently. There will be no hesitation to ask any type of question, and there will be no hesitation to reply also, as nowadays we hesitate just because we understand but we cannot speak. But when we start gaining these ideas, and we will start to understand the concept, and we will not feel ashamed of ourselves that we are a failure. No, 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 you are not a failure. You are just not trying to take a step. Just take a step ahead, and the day will come that you will start speaking English. Okay, so these are the basic rules. Inshallah, I will try to explain more. For till then, thank you and have a nice day. That's it.